Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher and we are on lesson 12, shape K. Don't forget to hit that like button, click on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and talk to me. I love hearing from you. Let me know how it's going. Gather together your materials that you need for shape K and let's stitch this shape together. I've put a piece of tape here to tape down this turkey work, and I'm doing some cast on loops with in the burgundy silken pearl. And I'm doing between 16 and 26 cast ons. So I'm going in here with my silken color golden pines, and I'm doing some of my seed stitch variation, little seed loops. I'm then also interspersing that with some 3-wrap French knots, and I'm adding some couple drizzle stitches in here. All right, so here's what I've got so far, and kind of liking this. You know, I didn't do the bouillon drizzles. I've done drizzles, I've done some turkey work, I've done 3, 4, and 5-wrap French knots. I've done I'm calling it a seed loop stitch, which it's like a seed stitch, but I'm letting it loop. And I think I might do a little bit more green, but I'm not sure. I might just leave it for now and start working on something over here. I thought I'd show you the inspiration. I'm working off of some photographs of rocks, and I saw this and I just loved it. I just loved the colors, I loved the texture, you could see rocks, and then you can see the different colors and textures of the green with this sort of red. So here it is. And I often do this. With all of these, I'm working off of some rock garden photograph that I've pulled out and printed that's inspiring me for this entire project. All of these I'm thinking of as little rock gardens. They often have water features nearby, and there's a lot of lush and green, lots of colors from the flowers. I saw this as sort of wildflowers. All right, so I'm going to keep going with this. Okay, I'm drawing 3 different sized circles here, and the idea is to just do a couple of different things within them. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to do turkey work here in this one, and I'm using my sheep silk periwinkle. Keep it pretty small. So here's my little poof, and I want some other greenery around it. But I'm using my 4mm silk ribbon, and I'm going to just do a couple of pistol stitches coming out. There's my silk and pearl, my pistol stitches, and now I'm going to do another of these little guys in my sheep's silk around this very faint chalk pencil here, and I'm going to do turkey work. I finished my little poofs. I've got this little guy here, and now I'm going in with my evergreen silk and pearl, and I think I'm going to add some of this one, Mermaid Dances. And I'm just going to do some buoyant knots sort of randomly in this lower center part of the shape. So here are my little buoyants that I did in the Mermaid Dances in Evergreen Silk and Pearl. And I'm going to move on now. Well, we have finished the last shape of our third panel, and we are ready to move on to our fourth panel, our final panel, and our final shape. So you should take a look at all you've done so far and give yourself a big pat on the back. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Click on the little bell that pops up after you've subscribed for email notifications. Talk to me. I love hearing from you. Tell me how things are going. Until next time, here's to stitching together.